This is my new COZ vintage luggage set. So this is a super retro feeling luggage set that comes with two pieces. So it's got the full suitcase for all your items, as you can see here. And we will take a look at a carry-on briefcase that comes with it as well. So as you can see, I'm kind of rotating it around here. It's got a full 360-degree swivel at the bottom, a nice adjustable handle, as well as a solid handle. And then you can see on the side here, those straps are magnetic, and you've also got another side handle on there, which makes it super easy for picking up or dropping off if you need to do it sideways. Great in the airport. The locks itself, very easy to manage. It does come with instructions on how to preset that lock. To open, you're just gonna click the button to the side. So when you first open it, it'll look like this. There's a zipper within here to place probably your intimates or things you want protected. And then also a little kind of liner piece, which could be great for carrying hair products, makeup, etc., bikinis, even depending on what it is or where it is you're going. So these are what the keys itself look like. And both of the bags came with a protective case for the outside of them. So you can see that brown bag for the briefcase. They also have for the outer shell of the big suitcase as well. So again, same design. It's got a magnetic detail at the side of the smaller briefcase as well. Both of them, you know, having a great open capacity, quiet, smooth, and again, yeah, very great kind of retro way to move things around. The smaller one will fit into the larger suitcase. As far as how much will fit in the large one, it's got a 38 volume. And you can see it fits great under the bed. I also will set it up in my bathroom, which I'll just have a look at here. So the smaller one I did with some face cloths, and then the larger one with some towels. So really storage, traveling, or as decor, it kind of fits a ton of different areas. Definitely check it out.